Hello, welcome to the leave management tutorial of Credly. In this tutorial, we are going to understand how to create leave policies, how to assign it to your employees, how to approve or reject leave applications, how to update the leave balance, and how to understand the leave logs. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll get into the rules subsection, and towards the left side of your screen, you will see all the presets. These are the most widely used, frequently used leave rules and leave policies in India. But if you want to create another leave policy, you can simply click on create new rule. The rule gets created. Select the rule and add all the details as per your preference. Now I'm even renaming the leave rule. I'm renaming this as training leave rule. You can even add a description to it. This is applicable to all new joiners.